Hi guys, before I start this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, hit post notification bell so that you don't miss out on the latest Dillovirus video. And also, the first ever Dillovirus Google Meet is gonna happen. So, if you want to enter, hit link 2 in the description below on April 15th at 3 p.m. Pacific time. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys how to make atomic tiles. Okay, so it looks something like this maybe. You could either make your own element, make up your own element, or make an element that already exists. So if you want to make one that already exists, I got a periodic table right around here. I think it's right here. Yeah, right here. I got a periodic table, so you can get it. So pause the video if you need to. Now, first you need to click link 1 in the description. It should take you here. Right here. Right here. Small, medium, large, extra large. Print on cardstock paper. Like and subscribe. So cardstock paper is the paper that's like a bit more expensive than paper and a bit more thicker than paper. If you use normal computer paper, you won't have a good enough time tracing. It'll be very hard to trace, and you'll probably have to end up drawing for the next step. Okay, the next step is you need to take some cardboard. Now for cardboard, it is like you could use like cardboard. Now the cardboard, you take your template, put it over, trace it with a pen or a marker or whatever, and then you use scissors to cut it out. If you want, you could also just draw it straight on there, but I don't recommend that and it won't be smooth. So I got these right here. I got these. You do that. Then if you want, you can paint it. And then let the paint dry if you are doing it. And then if you skip the paint, doesn't matter if you skip it or not, you need to do the atomic symbol on there. And if you want, you could also do the atomic number. So the atomic symbol, it's made up of 1, 2, or 3 letters. Now, you do that and it's done. So now, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can enter that Google Meet. Alright guys, before you watch the video,